friends, I'm your friend Rani Subramanian. Once again, welcome back to Kesariya Textile Manufacturers. I hope all are safe and doing great. The hot summer which is going on, the April is going to end, right? Be safe, have a cold drinks, fresh juices, keep it warm, and the same way look at your businesses with a cool mind. So today I'm going to show you with taking you to directly to the go down. Here I just want to show you the wedding purchase one of the customer has done from the south, which is only cotton plus silk based butta work sarees has been purchased. It's going for packing actually for the wedding purpose and the engagement wedding collections. Like this customer has all purchased the collections. Today I am going to show you the direct live collections of cotton running material of blouse collections. Here you can see the fancy blouse varieties, ready-made blouse varieties. These are all petticoats of these collections, and here you can see some cotton printed sarees over here. In the cotton itself you have a work sarees, and here one of the customer has purchased here. These are all printed sarees over here, and here you can see the only varieties of the kids wear collections, only kids western wear collections. How the manufacturers are with the color charts, every bundle you can see 6 colors, 5 colors, and our executives also packing over, they're doing the packing over here with the color charts. And here one of the customer, I showed you the parcel of the one of the packing over here. In those you can see the cotton sarees, printed sarees, silk sarees, linen cotton sarees, butta work sarees, all those varieties. At the same time you can buy some innerwears of the women innerwears. These are all purchased for the pre-wedding wedding. Customer has purchased, and one of the customer has purchased only 100% cotton blouse materials. 100% cotton blouse materials. We do have a lovely collections. Keep watching this video. I'm going to show you some samples. If you are a retailer, saree retailer, you can also purchase cotton varieties of blouse material. Subscribe the channel, and easily you can purchase by COD Pan India worldwide shipping advance payments with the color charts. So exclusive varieties and every pattern of falls, petticoats, blouse bits of. Let's have some samples. You can also see the samples, and easily, quickly you can purchase with the color charts. Quality, quantity, no doubt friends. Every cotton saree you have a different huge quantity of cotton blouse bits also. In south, most of the people demand the cotton sarees as well as the cotton blouse materials. So some like ready-made, some are comfortable by the stitching. So let's see the samples over here. Very pretty. If I talk about party wear sarees, you can see all the party wear collections. We have a beautiful blouse bits. Okay, this is one of the pattern. For Jimmy Choo fabric or the Vichitra fabric, you can see only the chunky work. For the particular color, you have a different color charts. If I talk about the Mysore silk saree, Kanjivaram saree pattern, you have a butta print with the mountain cut border with the Rani color. Very pretty. 1 meter, we have a 1.5 meter also. You can check in, you can purchase. So this is one of the pattern. We have a color charts. If I talk about next pattern, we have a very pretty. This is linen jerry work, jacquard silk sarees, matte look sarees, weaving butta work sarees. You can see this kind of charts also you can purchase. If I talk about printed, we have a kalamkari based floral printed, mini butta printed. We have a fancy varieties of printed collections also you can purchase. Beautiful collections. These all varieties are cotton printed sarees. You have a for plain sarees also. We have lovely collections. If I talk about embroidering sarees, light color, dark color with heavy border embroidering threadwork sarees, we have a embroidering based sarees also. We have a color charts. See, this is one of the pattern. If I talk about designer party wear sarees, I have a beautiful magenta color combination. We have a heavy border handwork pattern like this Vichitra base, satin base, silk based. We have a designer exclusive heavy designer sarees also you can purchase. Next pattern, jerry border sarees. If you want only golden jerry, Jerry border, only golden creamish color, plain for the border sarees, heavy border, hand based. These are all collections also you can purchase. See, these are all the golden color fabric designer. So these all varieties you can purchase. If I talk about multi thread work, I have a multi thread work also, matte maroon shade, multi thread. In this also you have options. I'm just showing you all the samples of varieties. This is also one of the pattern. If I talk about the pre-wedding, wedding, only red based, dark red color with multi butta with chanderi cotton with heavy golden border. You can see this also very pretty. See, in this also you have a beautiful color charts. If I talk about the plain fabric designer, coffee brown, multiple fabrics with the fabric multiple printed on the fabric itself. Coffee brown. This is also one of the pattern. If I talk about very beautiful mini butta jerry border sarees also, I have a color charts. Every pattern you will find out this color charts. The manufacturers are giving you lovely beautiful collections of blouse bits with the zipper package. Every zipper package you will find out the code with the scanner code, what kind of price and how many pieces you are purchasing. Every purchase, every segment you will have a color charts. No need to worry about the color charts. This is what the manufacturers are supporting to the retailers in this way. So if you are a saree retailer, boutique retailer, have some cotton blouse bits also to make your customers happy. No worry about damages. If you find damages also, 100% you have a replace option. COD visit purchase also you can do, live video calling purchase also you can do. One customer has purchased for wedding, there is a trolley over here, all those collections are going to place a bulk an order, it's going to pack now. So and here in the bottom, in the ground also you can see this also, and the below there are varieties of collections. These kind of 100% cotton blouse bits also you can purchase with lowest price. I can say we have a 1 meter, you have a find out which starts from 19 rupees. We have a base price. If I talk about cotton, 35, 45, 50 we have, and highest price is 150 to 200, 250. So keep watching the regular videos and add into your business new collections to explore your business. Contact Kesaria Manufacturers website pages, social media pages, you can follow it. Let me know in the comment box from which city you are watching the video. Keep supporting me and please share with your friends, relatives, everyone the link, and what kind of collections you are looking for me, you are looking to create a videos, you can also share that. I'll put the videos also. So explore to start a business. Kesaria has bought for you the gateway model business setup. Only investment is yours. Based on your location, Kesaria will support you. Further information, contact the numbers which are on the screen. So subscribe the channel, keep supporting me. Next video will come up with new more collections. Until then, take care, bye bye.